Need a little milk on your coffee?
It went down the road.
Oh, no.
Way. So, yeah, just eat it up.
Well, oh well, oh well. Another sneeze day at Old Fashioned Pancake House.
Quiet.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh, man.
I think we'll have to go to the hospital.
Huh?
Silver Cross. How many was that?
4.
It sounds like,
I think it was 4. What do you think?
I think it might be 5.
Huh?
Sometimes my laugh quake machines always gets mixed up. Your sneeze is funny as heck. I just have to tell you that. Oh, we found a Grandma Sneeze version 14.
Huh?
Funny Grandma Sneeze version 14.
14? There's not no 14.
You'll be now.
Oh.
I think you're done.
Stop, cop. You're just looking. You're just waiting for it.
That's. I always have to wait for it. So,
Huh?
but now we're definitely gonna have to go to the hospital.
Well, I wonder who won. Somebody won.
All right, that's it.